Congratulations on choosing Grounded and welcome to the new clean. Today, our trainer Candy will be walking you through how to use Grounded products to achieve a non-toxic, sparkling clean. But first, why Grounded? Conventional cleaning products have a lot of hidden ingredients, and many are harmful to you and to our environment. As much of the world tightens regulations on ingredients, many find their way into products in Africa. And you deserve better. Everyday cleaning products can be harmful to your short and long-term health and the environment around us. We hear stories every day about skin and lung irritation and even fingernails falling off. Many cleaning products contain allergens and respiratory irritants that can lead to asthma. A UK study showed that breathing in bleach regularly can be equal to smoking a pack of cigarettes a day. And did you know that those long-lasting fragrances found in most laundry products can actually affect our hormone system? All in all, this affects you, the users of the products, working hard to ensure our homes and businesses are clean. This is why we created Grounded, to keep you safer while not compromising on your level of clean. Grounded products are made from farm-grown ingredients. They are safe to go right back into your soil. You can water your shamba with the leftover mop buckets, and all products are 100% biodegradable and water safe. We have no hidden ingredients. Unlike other companies, we list 100% of our ingredients. This video series will show you how to use Grounded products that keep you safe without compromising on your level of clean.
Welcome to the new clean, Grounded. My name is Candy and I'll be showing you how to use Grounded products to clean your house top to bottom in a non-toxic way. Let's get started. Whether you're new to housekeeping or you are a veteran, here are my favorite tips and tricks on how to start your cleaning day. Number 1, tidy up first. Number 2, do your load of laundry. Number 3, prioritize common areas like the living room and the kitchen, then proceed to room by room. We have 2 bonus tips for you guys. Tip number 1, when cleaning up your room, start up high as you finish low. Tip number 2, don't forget to do your weekly and monthly deep clean. Na hapa niko na simplified laundry guide for you. Unapotaka kuosha nguo zako na una feel umekwama, you can always refer to our laundry guide. Here's a link to the simplified guide.